Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So tonight before dinner we are going to be cooking again with HelloFresh, and we are going to be making the crispy skin seared salmon. And these are the ingredients listed here and the recipe at the back like always. And this one says that we were meant to eat it early, so we should probably cook this one first, but it's still good. It doesn't expire till the 2nd of March. So yeah, let's start cooking. I'm just going to show you guys what's inside here, and we'll get on with the step-by-step instructions. So this is the bag that we got, and it says fish on it, so we're just going to open it and see what's inside. So this one is very simple. We just got 70 grams of spinach here. Got one vegetable stock cube. Actually no, says 2 stock cubes inside, so there's 2 stock cubes in there. And then we've got some Greek style yogurt, and we've got half a cup of Risoni pasta. There's a couple of herbs in here. We've got continental parsley, 20 grams worth, 1 spring onion, 2 stems, and we got dill, which is like 10 grams. And the other thing that we got here is our salmon fillets. And this is just 2 pieces, and it doesn't really, 280 grams worth of salmon. Okay, moving on to our recipe. It says first step to cook the risoni. So we're just going to add water, and you have to check the ingredient listing, which says that we need 1.5 cups of water. And then it says to crumble the vegetable stock, and we are going to be using vegetable stock, where is it? Half a cube. And then we are going to bring it to a boil. Once we bring it to a boil, we are going to add in our risoni pasta, and we're going to cook it for 7 to 8 minutes until it's al dente. I'm going to move on to step 2 as well, which is while the risoni is cooking, finely slice the spring onions and finely chop the parsley. Pick and finely chop the dill leaves. Okay, so I've actually just done step 1 and step 2, and I thought it was recording, but it wasn't. So we are going to move on to step number 3, which is cook the crispy salmon. And it says heat a drizzle of olive oil in a medium fry pan over medium heat, and season both sides of the salmon fillets with salt and pepper. Once the pan is hot, add the salmon, skin side down, and cook for 4 to 5 minutes or until the skin is crispy. Then gently flip the salmon and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes or until cooked through. And the tip here, it says it's okay for the salmon to remain pink in the middle. So I've got my herbs all here, and my risoni pasta is actually cooking up over there. So let's move on to step number 3. Step number 4, it says flavor the risoni. So add the spring onion, parsley, baby spinach leaves, and drizzle of olive oil to the risoni. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper and mix well and set aside. So I'm going to move on to that step, and also we'll do this one as well, which is step number 5, and make the dill yogurt. So we're just going to get that Greek yogurt that we have, and then we're just going to mix it with dill and add a little bit of white wine vinegar and season it to taste with some salt and pepper. So I'm going to be doing that now. And the last step is just serving it up, and it says divide the green risoni between plates, top with the crispy skin seared salmon and a dollop of dill yogurt. And it should look something like that. So hopefully we can recreate something like that. Okay, so this is how I plated up our salmon, and we are now ready to eat. So we are going to do a taste test and let you guys know what we think about it. Let's eat, guys. Okay, so it's time to eat. Let's taste this. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not really a fan of salmon, but I thought we would incorporate this in our
we don't have that much fish.
Oh shoot, I'll incorporate this in our diet because we don't really have fish that often. and I'm very picky when it comes to fish. I mostly just like fried fish.
I like fish.
He likes fish. So we're gonna try it now. And there's like a lot of different herbs in here, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna like this dish as much as salmon. Good.
I've never had Risoni before. Is that how you say it?
Yes, we have. I made it before. Probably not like this though. You probably just don't remember. But Risoni is like a small rice kind of pasta. The salmon.
Yum. A crispy skin.
There's a lot of like herby flavors happening here right now.
Yeah. I'm not sure about the yogurt. Maybe because I like to have it like fish with like soy sauce in there.
Lemon.
Yeah. But I guess the yogurt goes with all the green stuff. All the veggies. Tastes nice. A different
pretty
taste
good.
what I'm used to.
Yeah.
But
It's nice.
it's
I
been
don't
cooked
mind
well.
it.
Yeah, good.
If you guys are a big eater, this might not be like, what's it called? The sizing is not that big.
Yeah, like yesterday's meal, the chicken felt like there was more than we could eat. This one is a little small,
But then fish is heavy.
and the pasta and all the greens, good.
It's good enough. I guess it's a standard healthy serving. You know what I mean, bub?
Good.
Huh? Not really overeating. Yeah. So I'll probably give this one 4. 3.5. No, it's nice. It's good. It is good if you guys like fish, if you guys are into fish. It's just a little bit different for me because I'm not really a fan of fish, but I'm trying to incorporate it more in my diet, so I'm kind of gonna force myself to eat
It's
this
good.
one.
And salmon is, it's very hard to come by,
A lot of omega.
so it's good. I don't mind it at all.
And we will be having salmon again in our next week's meal. Bum. We're gonna have salmon again in our next week's one. I already ordered it early on today. So if you guys want to try HelloFresh, you can use my discount code in the description box below, and I will enter it here in the video as well. Use that discount code and you will get $50 off your first order with HelloFresh. So if you were going to be ordering 3 meals just like this, like 3 dinners for 2 people, you'll get $50 off your order, and it'll only come down to $20, and that will include shipping as well. So 3 dinners for 2 people for $20, I reckon that's a pretty good deal, isn't it? If you guys want to try it out, again, I will leave the coupon code in the description box below. So we are going to enjoy our dinner here. I'm probably going to slowly eat this. Only because, like I said, I'm not really into salmon, but I will eat it. I'll finish it eventually. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and we will see you guys again next time. Bye!